Have a good day everyone. Today we will see Enclose in object command or TCIRCLE command in AutoCAD. Okay, let's see. Go Express Tools, Enclose in object, click, exit or type TCIRCLE. Okay, let's see. Select object, enter offset factor 0.35, enter circle constant. Okay, again type TCIRCLE, select object, enter 0.45, enter rectangle constant height. Okay, different sizes rectangles. Okay, undo, type TCIRCLE, select object 0.45, enter rectangle constant, click both. Okay, same size rectangles. Okay, undo, again type TCIRCLE, select object 0.45, enter rectangle, enter constant, enter width. Okay, okay, again type TCIRCLE, select object, enter offset factor 0.2, enter select slots, click constant height. Okay, undo, again type TCIRCLE, select object, enter 0.2, enter slot, enter constant both. Okay, same size. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.